Hey guys, my name's Matt and this is Micah, and he has made a Lego version of Builtprado, as you can see. And not only is he going to show us all the details and how inaccurate it is to the real thing, but you also may be able to buy sets like this yourself if you're interested. So stick around, we're going to run through the car and the Lego set. Alright, hey guys, so we're on the beach now at Moana, if you know where it is, in Adelaide now. It's my first time using this camera. This is a Nikon D3 200, so we'll see how we go. It's got a big mic on it, and the beach is right there, and I've got a shotgun mic to my face, so you should be able to hear me really well, and we'll just see how this camera goes for now. So Mike is here running around the car, getting some crazy shots for us, and really excited to see what they look like, because obviously he's got the little Lego car, and yeah, we'll just see what they look like, and hopefully you guys are interested in the set. We might be able to actually make some and sell them, which would be really exciting, because I want to buy this one off him, so you can't get that one, but if you're interested, let us know down below. So Mike is just getting some shots here of the car. I just thought I'd get a little close-up of the car for you. So the sun's shining on it right now. There's my massive shadow, but if you look at it closely, it's got even built 90 is the number plate, which is the number plate I'm about to get. It's got Max Tracks on the roof surfboard, and on the back literally has the sticker. Like, are you kidding me? Literally has the sticker, and it's got all the fine details from the brake lights to the little part where you open the door. It's got the big tyre, the exhaust. Oh, it's such a high detailed model. I love it so much. And it's also got the big mirrors, and it's got a detachable roof which you pull off, and in here it's got my drawers that have my work tools in them, and it's also got me in it. It's got me with a little like mo and stuff. Looks like me, which is funny. It's got a little snorkel, aerial. This is like the coolest set I've ever seen. Maybe a little bit biased, but I love it so much. I looked at the footage and it's very close to my face. I'm trying to hold it out as far as I can in my arm, but it does look pretty good, which is great. Now Mike has just taken more photos of the car. They're coming up really nice, and these will all be flooded over Instagram shortly. Alright, hey guys, now this has been a really random video, but it's just a little behind the scenes of what it's like in life of a Lego YouTuber photographer. So the Lego set's really cool, really awesome. Now there'll be a post on my Instagram, go check it out. It's about if you're interested in getting one. Now Marcus will have a hard time into making this and researching the parts he needs, so have a good look at that video and let us know what you think. But till then, I think that's it from Micah and I, and we'll catch you guys next time. Builtprado.
Thanks guys for watching.
Yeah.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you next time. Cheers. Woo!